This goes out to the drifters and all of the dreamers ready to fly. All those born to be rock stars lifting their guitars and painting the sky. Can you hear me? All of you lost ones who aren't really lost ones, keep shining their light. This goes out to the wild cards and all of their wild hearts, just like mine. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Leslie Blaze Guitar Lessons. This was not a song that was requested. There's some other requests that I'm going to get to them. But the song came out by Keith Urban, and I love it. So I want to teach you guys how to play Wild Hearts. Big Keith Urban fan here. So anyway, but if you do have a request, please let me know in the comments, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Also, please hit like and subscribe. All right. So let's get into it. So this song is in standard tuning, doesn't have a capo. It's a super simple song. There's only a handful of chords you're going to use. They're the same order all the way through the song, and the strumming pattern is the same almost throughout the entire song. I'll show you where the differences are. Really, you need to stick through to the end of the chorus, and yeah, that's it. It's a pretty simple song. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's get started on this thing. Okay, so you're going to start with B. All right, so you're going to do B. Now, B is actually supposed to be with those 3 fingers and then like that. Okay, but just to make it simpler, I'm going to show you. You just do the power chord version. So just do those like that. Okay, you're going to use A, and then E, and then you go back to B. See, you're going to see how easy it is, right? Okay, so you're just going to do B, A, E, B throughout the song. Okay, now the strumming pattern is going to be a little bit different at times. So you're going to start just B. Okay, so you're going to palm mute. So you're going to put this part of your hand as close as you can, not on the white thing right here, but right in front of it. Okay, and you're going to hit the bass notes. So you're going to the lower sounding notes. B, A, E, B. Okay, so you're just doing B, A, E, B. So you're just doing down, 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 down. Okay, so you're just doing down strums the whole time. There is a different part in the song where you do it slightly differently, but it's even simpler and it's easy. So I'll show you that in a second. So when you start the song, you're gonna do 1 B, and then you're gonna start palm muting, and then do saw the man in black, spotlight. So you do B on saw the man in black, spotlight. Spotlight is A. Spotlight in the air, heard. Okay, so heard is E. Heard 1,000 screams, I saw. Okay, so on saw you do B. I saw my daddy stare. Feel, and then you stay on B. Feel like I've been running since the day. Day is A. Day I was born. Eagle on is E. On my back. Phoenix on. So Phoenix on is, you're gonna do on is B, on my arm. Okay, and then when you go into the chorus, you're gonna do the same strumming pattern for the most part, but you're gonna do, but you're not gonna palm mute it here. So you're gonna keep doing downward strums. You're gonna do B's on this. This goes out to the drifters. So drifters is A. Drifters and all of the dreamers. So dreamers is E. Dreamers ready to fly. So fly is B. Fly high. You stay on B. All those born to be rock stars. So rock is where you do A. Rock stars lifting their guitars. So guitars. Tars where you do E. Guitars and painting the sky. So sky is B. Sky. Then you stay on that. Can you hear me? All of you lost ones. So lost is A. Lost ones who aren't really lost ones. So you aren't really lost. That second lost is E. Lost ones keep shining your light. So light is B. Light. So this part is where it's different. Okay, so you just do a single strum on each one. This goes out to the wild cards and all of their wild hearts, just like mine. Okay, so you're just gonna do B is gonna be this. This goes out to the wild hearts. So it's wild cards. Wild is A. Wild cards and all of their wild. Wild is E. Wild hearts just like mine. So mine is B. Mine. And then you're just going to play it through again, but in between, before you go to the verse, you're just going to do B, A, E, B. This goes out to the drifters and all of the dreamers. Okay, and then when you go to that next chorus, sorry, next verse, and I don't know why I was singing it there. I just thought it was fun, but you're gonna palm mute again. And that's it. Now you know how to play the whole song. So that was a super easy tutorial, right? So let me know if you guys have other questions or requests or anything like that. Thanks for watching. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.